Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a pear while we learn Spanish. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is fácil. We are almost finished. We draw a leaf. Leaf in Spanish is HOJA. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Do you know how to say pear in Spanish? PERA. Very good! Now we use a darker green, that in Spanish is said, verde oscuro. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!